Welcome back everyone. Now in this lecture, we are going to learn something different. We are going to learn another data structure which is called a dictionary. Now a dictionary is very much similar compared to a list, but there is some features that make dictionaries very special. So let us start out by making a dictionary. To make a dictionary, all we have to do is type in a variable name. Let it be sample equal to. Now in list we use square brackets. In dictionaries we use curly brackets, that is curly parentheses. Now inside the curly brackets we will add our dictionary elements. Now what is a dictionary? Now a dictionary in a real life contains a list of words and their meanings, right? It will have a set of words and their meanings. So in Python, words are called keys and their meaning is called values. That means there will be a key and the key will have a value. So if we type in the key, we will get the value. So to make a dictionary element, first we need a key. So let the key be key1 and let key1 store a value 25. So this is example of a dictionary element. Now the same way we can make more dictionary elements. So what this is going to do is very simple. Key 1 will have the value 25, key 2 will have the value 35, key 3 will have the value 45, and key 4 will have the value 55. Now let's try printing this dictionary out. We will run this and we can get a clear output of how a dictionary will look. Now what makes dictionary stand out is that there will be a key. So by using the key, we can access that unique value. Suppose you want the value stored in key 1. To do that, we type in our dictionary name. Inside square brackets, we type in key 1. Now if we run this, we get the value inside key 1, which is 25. That means we can use keys to access the value stored in it. Now the values need not be integers. That is the best part. It can be anything. It can even be a string. It can even be a string. We'll try running this again and you can see that it works. So a dictionary will have a number of keys and each key will have a unique value, and these keys can be used to get that value. So in this case, to get the value, we use the dictionary name. Inside the square brackets, we provided in the key name. And according to the key name, it will print the value stored inside that key. In this case, it will print, hey everyone. Now if we change this key 1 to key 2, we'll get the value stored in key 2, which is 35. And we get the value 35. So this is how a dictionary works. Okay, so that is all about this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you and have a wonderful day.